Here's how you can make carrot and zucchini fritters. Combine grated carrot, zucchini, and onion in a large bowl. You don't need to be too precise with the measurements here, just use 2 or 3 carrots, 2 medium zucchinis, and half an onion. Next, add salt and pepper to taste, followed by 1 beaten egg and 5 tablespoons of finely grated Parmesan. Feel free to add other spices at this point also. It's totally up to you. Now add breadcrumbs and flour to bind it all together, then stir again. Once it's a kind of dough, use a tablespoon to scoop out portions, then you can use your hands to shape them into small discs. In the meantime, heat up some neutral oil over medium heat, then add your fritters. Cook these for about 2 minutes until brown and crispy, then carefully flip and cook for another few minutes on the other side. Once both sides are brown and crispy, remove from the heat and drain over paper towel to catch the excess oil. You can even gently press the tops with paper towel also to remove even more oil. Before serving, here's a dipping sauce you can make. Combine sour cream with lemon zest, lemon juice, chopped parsley, Parmesan cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. Then you just need to mix it all up and you're ready to serve. This is such an easy appetizer and it's super tasty too. Let us know if you try this at home, and while you're here, click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.